Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to clear your browsing data within your art browser. So once you're inside the art browser, guys, just simply click the Arc logo on the uppermost left hand side. And from here, you want to click on settings, right? Then here you want to go ahead and choose the profile in question. So if you're using multiple profiles, you need to be careful and select the one that you want to change it for. Or if you're just using one profile, just select that one profile. Now from here, you want to look towards the bottom. You will find clear browsing data. And all you have to do is just simply click on that. And that will take you here where you can find all of your settings and how to clear browsing data, right? Now, once you're here, you will find the clear browsing data option here under privacy and security. So just click on that, and here you are able to clear your browsing data. So as you can see here, you have your browsing history, you have your cookies and other sites, you have your cleared image and files. You can click on that as well. You also have the advanced option as well that you can clear more options as well, right? So you can go ahead and you can clear that. Now, a pro tip here is that once you're clearing browsing data, if you're having issues with the art browser, just go ahead and select this to all time, and then you want to go ahead and clear the browsing data here by simply clicking clear browsing data. Right now, what otherwise, as I said, you can also go into the advanced section as well. So if you like to do a bit more clearing up here, you can go ahead and you can do so as well. So this is how you can easily find your browsing data, to clear browsing data within your art browser. If you find this useful, guys, go ahead and give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. And of course, hit that subscribe button if you're seeing the channel for the first time. And on top of that, guys, if you'd like to learn more about how to use the art browser, go ahead and check out the playlist towards the end of this video or within the description of this video as well. You'll find quite a lot of videos there on how to use the art browser. And I'm constantly updating this playlist with a lot of ways on how to use art browser so that you can become a pro at using this browser. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.